Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I'm going to give you guys an overview on the new EPA approved wood furnaces produced by Fire Chief. Now, Fire Chief has been around for quite some time. They have an excellent name in the industry. They were previously known for producing wood coal furnaces. Now, in 2017, EPA regulations changed and you can't have a wood coal combo furnace anymore. So this is the brand new wood only furnace produced by Fire Chief. Now I believe that the Fire Chief EPA furnaces are one of the best buys available on the market right now for wood furnaces. Here's a couple reasons why. Number one, Fire Chief has actually doubled their warranty. So previously their products had a 5-year warranty. They now actually have a 10-year warranty. Number two, all Fire Chief products are produced here in the United States. So made in America. And number three, honestly, for the price point, it is very difficult to find another product that can compete with it. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a little bit of an overview on how the system works. This model is all going to be fully automated and regulated based on your draft blower that is on the rear of the unit. So your control system is located here. You will wire directly in to the product using a thermostat wire. And what's really nice is Fire Chief actually provides you with a thermostat that comes standard with the unit. This is very nice. It's a digital display. It's a Honeywell Pro 1000. Your wiring does not come with the unit, so you do need to wire your thermostat in. Basically, once your thermostat has been wired in, this baby will auto regulate, air damper control, all on its own. So, a lot of people ask about units that are auto-controlled and how does that work in the event of a power outage, for example. So what's really nice about this particular unit is, let's say you're burning it and you have a blazing hot fire, it's pretty cold out, and your power goes out. So this unit will actually damper down the Firebox on its own, and it'll turn into a convection style unit. So instead of the heat being pushed through your HVAC ductwork with the blower, because there's no power, the heat will just naturally rise off the top of the unit and thus be a convection unit. So that's really important for people who are concerned, or maybe even people who live off grid and operate with a small battery backup to run the blower. So these are definitely things to keep in mind. Overall, the construction of the Firebox and the furnace itself is good. The front of the unit is a 1/4 thick inch steel. The inner Firebox is a 3/16 inch with a inner stainless steel liner between the outer steel of the Firebox and the inner stainless steel liner. They do have a calcium silicate in there, so that's built for the heat protection. So overall, I'm really excited for this new product to come to the market. I think it's an excellent buy. I'm going to do my first burn, so watch out for our other videos. I'll do some technical videos and a first burn on this as well. Also, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Don't forget to click subscribe at the top of our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.